10 things to do and not do in 2024. If you already got your life together, go ahead and hop off this video. But for the rest of us, we got work to do. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Roadmaps Coach channel, where we talk about all things related to personal development. If this is your first time joining, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. But today we're going to be talking about 10 things to do and not do in the new year so you can make 2024 your best year yet. So we're going to start with the first 5 things you should do in the new year, starting with number 1, which is cultivate mindfulness. Take time each day to connect with the present moment. You can do this by expressing gratitude, praying, meditating, or just sitting in silence, or all of the above. And what it does is reduces stress, it improves your focus, and it just enhances your overall well-being. Number 2, you want to set SMART goals. And remember that the SMART in SMART goals is actually an acronym which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. If you haven't seen my video on SMART goals, I suggest you go check that out. But the reason why this is important, if you ensure that you encompass all of those components, what it's going to help you do is stay motivated, and it's going to help you stay focused on what you truly want. Number 3, embrace learning. Commit to continuous learning. Read books, listen to audiobooks, hire a coach, find a mentor, because what this is going to do is help contribute to you becoming a better version of yourself. Number 4, prioritize self-care. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. The first law of nature is self-preservation. In order to help anything else or anybody else, you have to help yourself first. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is a crucial part of maintaining personal development. Number 5, foster meaningful connections. Nurture your relationships. Surround yourself with positive and uplifting people who inspire and encourage you. If you hang around 4 lazy people, you will end up becoming the 5th lazy person. But if you hang around 4 successful people, you'll become the 5th successful person. Now let's get into the 5 things not to do in 2024. So number 1, what you don't want to do is overthink. Stop overthinking. Because what this is going to do is going to build stress, build anxiety. So what you have to do is trust your instincts, make decisions, and don't care what other people think. Just believe in yourself. It's that simple. And remember, simple is better. The second thing to not do in the new year is to fear change, because fearing change can hold you back from some incredible experiences. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow. Change is a natural part of life, and when embraced, it can lead to some incredible personal development. The third thing you should not do in the new year is live in the past. Living in the past prevents you from experiencing the present and the future. It's okay to acknowledge the past, learn from it, but then you should release it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Number 4, stop putting yourself down. Negative self-talk hurts your confidence and your self-worth. Confront those thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations, and celebrate your strengths and achievements. If you haven't seen my video on positive affirmations, I suggest you check that one out. Number 5, lastly, don't try to please everyone. Pleasing everyone is impossible, and it can lead to burnout. Focus on your values and your priorities and what truly matters to you. Authenticity attracts the right people into your life. You can try to please everyone, but you might end up pleasing nobody. So that's it. And whether you're watching this in 2023 or 2024, remember these 10 guidelines to help shape a year of growth, resilience, and happiness. I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. All my contact info is in the bio, so feel free to reach me there. I got to ask for you to like and subscribe if you haven't already. So like this video, subscribe to the channel. You know how it helps out. But as always, I got to thank y'all for being here, because you could have been anywhere else on the internet, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. Until next time, peace.